five.
Humpty
High five.
Dumpty
Good
sat
job.
on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Hi lovelies, good morning, good morning. You're welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. You're also welcome to this channel. Okay, so it's I think currently 8:47, though I've been up for like 35 minutes or so. And then I decided to, okay, let me just do what my baby eats in a day. I have a 9-month-old daughter. Her name is Kamarida Chim Eliana. Yeah. So we're going to be filming what we eat in a day. Like, it's not what she eats every day. Like, what we'll be filming today is not what she eats like every day. Like, what we eat in a day, because I have this meal plan I work with for her food, like a timetable for her food. So at times I follow everything back to back, like what is in the timetable. At times I just switch and then get some idea of food to make for her. Just get some idea of food to make for her there. And then sometimes I just work with the meal plan. But today, yeah, everything I'm doing for her today is in the meal plan, but not really like, okay, this is what she is supposed to eat morning, afternoon, night. So I'll just try and mix up, like, just to get an idea from there, and then that's what we're eating today. We'll start with breakfast. Obviously, we're meant to start with breakfast. So we'll start with breakfast, then we'll go to lunch, and then dinner. Hopefully she'll cooperate, and then yeah, she's in between a picky eater and then not really a picky eater as well. But there are some things she doesn't like and there are some things she likes. So we'll just do in between today, and then hopefully she likes what we prepared today. Okay, before I forget, I won't really like show how I prepare this meal, because most of them is already prepared. Like, one out of the food is already prepared also. I am not going to be showing how I prepare this meal. I will just, like, you get a clip, like a little clip of this is what we are doing and this is what I'm going to prepare for her. Yeah, yes, because this video will be on what we eat in a day, not how I prepare the meal. I don't know if you get me. So I'll just go ahead now and then prep what she's going to eat this morning. For breakfast, I'm going to be giving her oatmeal, maybe strawberry or blueberry. Okay, let's just do strawberry. Oatmeal, strawberries, and banana. Yeah, that's what I'll be giving her this morning. And then I'll add a bit of a formula into the oatmeal. Yeah, so let's try and see how well she's going to take it goes. Let's do breakfast. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, let me go prepare the breakfast and then we'll start eating. We'll get started. Yeah, okay, this is her oats. Like, this is normal, like the regular oats, but this is still oats. This is still oats. I just grounded it myself. Yeah, because I noticed she doesn't like lumps in her oats, so that was why I just decided to blend it for her into this powder form. Yeah, into this powder form. So I'll be using 3 strawberries and 2 banana for today. Although most of the time I don't really finish 2 bananas, but let's just see how it will go depending on how big the oats is. So here I'll just go ahead to make the oat for her. Yeah, just open it and then put the oats inside the water. Then I'll let it cook. So me cooking the oats. Yeah. So I've added the oats inside the water, and this is what we got. I make it this thick because, you know, sometimes when you mix it with banana and when you mix the oats with banana, it becomes runny. So I usually make it this thick, so whenever I blend it with banana and strawberry, it won't be that runny again. Yeah, so this is me adding banana. I added the oats into the blender, and then I'm adding the banana, and as well I'm going to put the strawberry too. Yeah, then blend everything together and we'll eat. So this is what we got. Finally, you see how thick it is, not really runny, and it's just okay. This is just perfect for her. Yeah. And then I forgot to add milk previously, so I'll just go ahead now to add the milk and look for a way to stir it together. I actually forgot. I was supposed to add the milk before now, but I forgot, so I'll just manage to stir everything up. So yeah, I'm done adding the milk. Now I'm just adding her steamed apples. Yeah, I still give her steamed apple. I'll just add her steamed apples now and then pour water for her. So we'll just go ahead now and eat. This is our water, and we're ready to eat now. So that is what we're having for breakfast today. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead now to wear her bib. She hates this a lot. She doesn't like wearing it. As you can see, we are fighting while putting on this for her. Yeah, that's it. We've started eating. Let's just go ahead and eat, and then we'll see how it goes. We'll see how far she's going to eat it. So I wanted to keep the food on her tabletop. You see the way she rushed it, like she's going to start messing everything around. And me, this morning, I'm not cut out for that one. This morning to start cleaning up and all that. So I decided to just feed her myself, and then we eat neatly. Yeah, as you can see, we've eaten almost everything. Yeah, that's it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. She now making video of that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. So it's water time. Yeah, so she's taking water now. Although she likes taking water in between her meals, like she'll eat and then after some time she'll take water. Yeah, so we are done eating now. She's going to take her steamed apples now. She likes her steamed apples as well. Although, yeah, sometimes I steam apple and just give it to her to snack on them like that, and she enjoys taking it too. And then sometimes as well, I just give it to her as after meal fruits. Yeah, so that's it. You can see she's happy because she loves her steamed apples. Yeah, so we are done with breakfast. We're going to catch you guys at lunch. Hopefully she's going to like what we're making for lunch as well, because she likes eating though, especially when it's something she enjoys eating. You see what we got? Almost empty plates. So we'll catch you guys at lunch. Bye. Hi lovely. So it's lunchtime. This is currently 1:34. So but like I give her lunch by 2 each, like 2. So I want to start making it at least before 2 or so. We'll get done with it. This afternoon for lunch, I'm going to be giving her amala and okra. Though the okra soup is already made. Yes, if you remember during breakfast, I brought out the okra from the freezer to defrost. Yeah, so now it's defrost. Is the frost already, so I'll just go ahead now and make the amala for her. For the okra, maybe one of these days I'll just make a video on how I make her okra soup. This is so nice, it's so delicious. I'll make a video on how I make her okra soup, but for today we are going to be using this, okay? And then I'll make amala for her. So I'll just go ahead now to warm up the soup and then make amala. So this is me trying to put the soup in the pot, and then I'll add a little bit of water to help warm up the soup evenly. Yeah, so that's it. I wanted to actually film how I make the amala, but at the point, like, she started crying, and then I think she's hungry. So I decided to just do everything quickly and then go ahead to feed her. Although most of the times between between breakfast and lunch, she takes snacks, like sometimes I give her steamed apples. Sometimes I go ahead to give her maybe fruits. Sometimes I give her biscuits. Sometimes I give her like different things, and then she still takes breast milk as well. But today she wasn't even having it. Even after giving her biscuits, she just wanted to eat. So that's why I decided to make everything fast to go and feed her. And then today I'll also, in her meal today, I'll be adding watermelon juice. That's watermelon juice, like freshly homemade watermelon juice. So I'll be giving it to her today too as well. She enjoys watermelon as well. She likes her watermelon as well. So but today I had to do it into juice. So I'll give it to her. In as much as she's taking watermelon juice, she doesn't play with her water. If she wants water and you give her anything aside water, she's not going to take it. Yeah. So this is our lunch, amala and okra soup. Yeah, so water and then her watermelon juice. We'll just go ahead now and start eating, and we'll catch you guys later. Come eat with us. Hopefully we enjoy this meal together. All right, let's go into eating. So I'll be using my hands to feed her. Yeah, the African way, using the hand to feed. But I've gone ahead to wash my hands properly. Like, I properly washed my hands, and yeah. So I'll just feed her with my hands. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Now is water break. She loves water, like in between eating, she will take water. That's how she enjoys eating. The amala is finished. Oh, are you not okay, Mama? You want more? You want more? See your mom. See your mom. See your mom. See your mom. See her here crying. She wants mama. She wanted more food. She wanted to eat more, and the food is finished. Amala and okra is one of her favorite foods to eat. Like, she loves eating amala and okra rather. But it's finished, and I can't go and start making another one for her. So I'll just go ahead now and clean her up, and then I'll give her her watermelon juice. Hopefully that will calm her down, because she still wants the amala and okra. She enjoys it a lot. Like, she's ready to keep eating it. I don't know why, but I just feel amala and okra doesn't feel her. For some reasons, I don't know. So, like, I'll just go ahead now and give her what's it called? I'll just go ahead now and give her her watermelon juice. You see, she's still crying that she wanted more amala and okra. Very funny. That's how we fight every time we finish eating amala and okra, because she wants more, and I make it so big for her. I don't know. Yeah, so I'll just give her her watermelon juice, and then hopefully that will calm her down, and I think it did. Yeah, so that's all we ate for lunch today. Yeah, so we are going to dinner. Yeah, so she's still taking her watermelon juice, and then she's going to finish everything. This girl. So we'll go over to dinner now, but in between lunch and dinner, I'm still going to give her breast milk. I will give her her snacks like her yogurt and peanut butter melt. Yeah, so that is it. So she's done with her watermelon now, and we're done with everything. I'm going to catch you guys at dinner. You see, we finished everything. We finished the amala, the okra, and then our watermelon juice. We only left water. So yeah, catch you guys at dinner. Bye. Hi lovelies, welcome back. It's dinner time. Okay, so for dinner we are going to be having carrot and pear puree. Although I wanted to give her plantain and fish pottage, however it's being called, but you know what I'm saying. I wanted to give her plantain and fish, either salmon or Titus fish, but I ended up not getting plantain. And then I decided to, since she ate amala and okra soup in the afternoon, and I can as well just do fruit and veggie puree for her. So I decided to do carrots and pear puree. That's what we're going to be eating tonight. So we are taking carrots and pear puree for dinner. Now I'll just go ahead to wash the carrot and pear, and then I'll start taking off the dirty skin from the carrots, and as well I'll peel off the skin of the pear as well. So that's how I do it. Then after which I'll just steam everything together. No, I'll cut them into little bits, like into tiny bits, and then I'll put it inside her steamer and then steam it. After which I will go ahead to puree everything together. Yeah, so that's what we're going to take for dinner. Let's go ahead to do all these things and then we'll be back. Yeah, so I'm done pureeing. I'm done steaming and then pureeing the carrots and pear. So this is what we got. I'll be adding orange for her as well. Time for eating. And then also she enjoys eating it. You see, she's actually in between a picky eater and a foodie. I don't know, but it's just that some of the things she doesn't like, no matter how you do it, she's not going to eat it. I don't know if I should call her a picky eater, but you see, she ate almost everything I gave her today, from the oat puree and to the amala and then to her carrot puree now. So she eats. So we are done eating. She's taking her oranges now. She enjoys it as well. You'll be like, she enjoys everything. Yeah, she enjoys it. As you can see, our plate is empty too. Yeah, so this is all we eat in a day. Like I told you, I give her in between meals, like her snacks, her her yogurt melt, and then other things too. She still takes breast milk, so I give her in between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. She takes breast milk and other things like her snacks as well. So that's it. So we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.